Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to talk about DIY skincare. Now, I'll be real with you, I am the last person to talk about DIY skincare because I kind of feel personally that skincare should be left up to the experts, people who experiment with different ingredients in labs and people who know their shit. But having said that, these are a few skincare recipes that have really worked for me, and they work so great as alternatives to the actual commercial products. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So first up, we have the coffee body scrub. This is going to target cellulite, it's going to exfoliate your skin, and it is going to moisturize and hydrate your body skin. So the first thing you're going to need is 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of used coffee grounds, and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Just mix this all together to form a beautiful gritty paste. Now, yes, you can use instant coffee, but I would recommend using coffee grounds because that is what gives it this beautiful texture, which is going to scrub your skin really well. And that's about it. So you can use this on areas that you have cellulite or dead skin. Do not use this on your face.
So why the scrub actually works really well for cellulite is because caffeine, which is in the coffee grounds, actually helps dilate the blood vessels. So when you're using it on, say, your thighs, I have a lot of cellulite on my thighs, so when I use it on my thighs, it will actually reduce, you know, those slightly the dimple effect on your skin. The sugar that we used in the scrub also helps to exfoliate the dead skin and get rid of it, and the coconut oil will help in moisturizing and healing. So in case you have any sort of wounds or anything like that, the coconut oil actually aids in healing and it helps in moisturizing. So once you're done using the scrub, it's best to use a moisturizer to seal in all of that moisture. So a lot of companies are actually capitalizing on scrubs like this. One example is the Beauty Co. They do a lot of coffee scrubs. Another example would be McCaffeine. They also do a lot of coffee scrubs, chocolate scrubs, but I personally have used those scrubs and I just feel like I can get this for much cheaper from items right in my pantry, and gives me like literally the same result. And I have been using this coffee scrub for years now, I think ever since I was in probably the 9th or 10th standard, and it's just worked so well for me, so I keep using it.
Next up, we have the vanilla lip scrub. This is going to moisturize your lips. It's going to exfoliate dead skin and get rid of the chapped layer on your lips. So for this, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use granulated sugar or caster sugar, but caster sugar works best. A dash of honey. I haven't really measured it out, but you do you. And a few drops of vanilla essence just for that taste. And you're just going to want to mix this up and take a little bit on your fingers and just scrub it onto your lips very gently. Don't be harsh, and yeah, wipe it off once you're done, or just lick it off because it tastes amazing.
A lot of companies are doing lip scrubs and I just feel like there really isn't much point to it, because when you're adding sugar and honey moisturizes your lips. Sugar gets rid of the dead cells. Well, the vanilla is just to add taste to it, but yeah, that's all you need, just these 2 ingredients to actually do the work for you. You don't need to spend on an actual lip scrub that sells for what, like 500 rupees, 600 rupees. No, just try using this and let me know what you guys think.
See, we have the gold face mask. This has anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties, and it hydrates your skin so well. This is meant for the face. So first up, we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And then to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Raw honey works best, but if you don't have that, it's okay, just use the commercial type. And 1 heaped tablespoon of curd, or you can even use Greek yogurt if you like. Mix it up until it forms this beautiful golden paste, and that's about it. So on your clean skin, you just want to apply this with a brush. You can also use your fingers, but a brush gives a much more even application. So just apply this all over your face. Turmeric is amazing for anti-inflammatory properties, and honey is great for antibacterial. So if you have acne, this is going to be so great on your skin. So just leave that on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with a gentle cleanser. Trust me, you don't want to leave this on for more than 10 minutes because you will stain your face. And yeah, that's about it.
So like I said, turmeric and honey have a lot of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and lactic acid actually helps to smooth fine lines and sort of delay wrinkles. So lactic acid is present in yogurt. So together all of these three ingredients actually make a very powerful mask. But having said that, some of you might be allergic to either one or two of these ingredients, so do a patch test before putting it on your entire face. I don't have any issue with these ingredients. I've used this mask time and again and it's worked really well for me. And like I said earlier, don't leave it on your face for too long because turmeric has a staining property, so it will stain your face and your face will look yellow. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye.